So anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Honestly speaking, guys, the Utando Netembo season 9, it was meant for Tobile, guys. Utobile agago uya fokofa, guys. The Kule season, it's all about Tobile, guys. You know, Utobile, she's part of the production team. I don't understand why she's allowing all of this. Maybe it's because of money. She doesn't have a problem, or maybe they signed an agreement form to say, guys, you are all cast members. Anything anyone is gonna say about you, there's no way you can sue them. Guys, some are saying, Ogote, people need to come out and apologize to Magdalena because they've been dragging Magdalena, saying, Ogote, she's trying to build their character using Utobile. She's jealous of Utobile. Guys, there's a trailer is currently trending. Guys, the sister Yakatobile just came out to confirm the allegation that is currently going on. Utobile's sister, she say, according to my knowledge, Uma Kumalo had a child. She has a child and few miscarriage, guys, and people want to know what is going on. So guys, we need to go back to the post she made last year on Father's Day talking about Mosamsalaka. So now everything can make sense to us. So ingane ikhona or ayikho, guys. Get to the speech, Mosamsaleko replied to Tobile's sister to say, if you want me to expose the reason why Utobile she doesn't have kids. Guys, the people are now asking themselves, what did Tobile do to Mosamsaleko? Because it seems like, oh, Mosamsaleko, guys, he's ready to do anything to see Tobile being embarrassed every day. So this is the speech Tobile posted last year on Father's Day. She went on to say, happy Father's Day to the one of the best father I know, and then she tagged Mosamsaleko. I believe that even my late children can attest to that, even though they couldn't experience it in the physical world, but through the love you give to their siblings, I hope you live long and enjoy the fruits of your children. So guys, this is the speech here, the post Utobile she made on Father's Day last year to Mosamsaleko. She said, I believe that even my late children can attest to that, even though they couldn't experience it in the physical world, but through their love you give to their siblings. You can see. So now people don't understand what is going on. Where is the child? It was because according to Tobile as posted last year on Father's Days, if there was a child, there was no way Utobile she can hide her child and raise it. Below, guys, Utobile she has money, guys, you know, she doesn't need Mosamsaleko, you know, even if Lengani beyihlale ekhaya, Utobile she's very rich, she's working hard for her to give Umpilo a best education, everything, just for Mosamsaleko, the guy that who doesn't even appreciate her. It doesn't make sense, guys. So people want to know what is going on. Is the child Lengani no sesika Tobile? What is going on? And Utobile, guys, today she posted few pictures and people who are looking for answers. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.